Hello viewers, this is Immense Electrical Engineering. I'm here to talk on direct online starter. So when we say direct online starter, what do they use for? They normally use in the industry. They normally use in the industry. And then those who use the maize, those who grind the maize, they normally use it there. So if you want to see how they do the wiring, please you can see my YouTube channel at the top there, UMS Electrical Engineering. You can search for UMS Electrical Engineering and watch the full video there. Thank you very much for watching. So firstly, this is our stop button. As you can see here, stop button, and then we have start button, and then this one is our overload relay. This one is our contactor. So I'm here to teach you how to do the wiring. So firstly, we need to have our cables, which we'll be using it to connect our contactors and then our start button and stop button. So I'm here to teach you guys how to go about it. So let's move on. We have our contactor and then our overload relay combined. We've combined it. So first of all, we have 95 in our diagram. As you can see, we have phase, and then we have 95 and then 96 in the overload relay. So in the overload relay, we need to connect 95. So from phase to 95. So I'm connecting the 95 here, as you can see. From phase to 95. And then we need to connect from 95 to 96, which is normally close. It's normally close. 95 and 96 are normally close. So the 95 is where the power is passing through, and then it will pass through from 95 to 96. So in the diagram that is showing, it said we should use a stop button. So this is our stop button, which is 1. So we are connecting in our stop button 1. This is our terminal 1. And then we need to connect terminal 2. This is my terminal 2. And then from terminal 2, we need to connect to our start button, which is terminal 3. So from terminal 3, we need to connect terminal 4. This is the terminal 4. So from terminal 4, we need to connect A1. So we have A1. This is our A1 here. A1 and then A2. As you can see, A1 and then A2. So we need to, from our start button, terminal 4 to A1. Terminal 4 to A1. Remember, from terminal 4 to A1 terminal in the contactor. So this is how the connection is. So as you can see, this is how the connection is. And then we need to connect our neutral and then our 13 and 14. So what we need to do now is to connect our 13 and 14 first before our neutral. I'm connecting the 13 and then 14. So what we need to do now is in our start button, we need to connect from 3. So this is my start button. This is my start button. So I need to connect from 3 to 13 and then from 4 to 14. So this is how it goes. So I need a cable from 3 which it can hold the start button. So I need to loop from 3 in the contactor. We have 13 here. So this is my 13 in the contactor. So as you can see, this is my 13 here, 13. So from 3 to 13 in the contactor. Yeah. So if you don't have it in your contactor, you can use auxiliary contact. So this is how the connection goes. So from 3 to 13 and then from 4 to 14 in the start button. In the start button. So here is 4 in the start button. So I'll connect from 4. So you pick another cable to do that thing. So from 4 to 14 in the contactor. So this is how it looks like. So from 4 to 14 in the contactor. So as you can see, I'm done with the connection. So I need to connect the neutral. So if I connect the neutral, I'm done with the connection. So this is how the direct online starter looks like. So I'm connecting the neutral. The neutral is A2 in the contactor. So this is how it looks like. So the neutral, I'm connecting the neutral in the contactor. So remember that the contactor, the neutral connection is A2. So for now, I've connected the neutral. Now everything is intact. This is how the connection goes. So I'm about to connect my breaker. So if I connect my breaker and then I'll test for my connection, whether everything that I did, everything is intact. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, Immense Electrical Engineering. Have a nice day.